Welcome to Serra Conveyor Solutions, where innovation meets efficiency. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to our cutting-edge product, the autonomous BOTFLOW LGV. In today's fast-paced world, where every second counts, inefficient material handling can cost your business more than you might imagine. Did you know that on average, companies lose over 20% of their productivity due to outdated logistics systems? Imagine the frustration of your hard-working employees, battling time-consuming processes, and the constant risk of errors. But what if there was a solution? A technological marvel that could change the game forever. Welcome to the future of material handling, where innovation meets efficiency. Introducing the autonomous BOTFLOW LGV from Serra Conveyor Solutions, a solution that's about to redefine the way you handle materials. Let's explore some of the key features that make the BOTFLOW LGV a game changer in material handling. First, the BOTFLOW LGV is fully autonomous. It navigates seamlessly through your facility, optimizing routes to maximize efficiency. It's a versatile workhorse, capable of picking up and delivering materials, whether it's raw materials on the manufacturing floor or finished products in the warehouse. Safety is our top priority. The BOTFLOW LGV is designed to work alongside your human workforce, ensuring a safe and collaborative environment. With real-time data analytics, you can monitor and optimize your operations like never before, increasing productivity and reducing downtime. But that's not all. We understand that every business has unique needs. That's why we offer a range of customization options for the BOTFLOW LGV. Innovation, efficiency, and safety, these are the cornerstones of the autonomous BOTFLOW LGV from Serra Conveyor Solutions. Are you ready to revolutionize your logistics? Contact us today to learn more and schedule a demonstration.